Nice. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I have the Craftsman cooling system kit right here. It's definitely worth it. This alone's $18 if you buy it separately. Buy it on sale, it's another story. Get that, a couple of hose clamps, hose cutter. It's a metal one. Now, I really wasn't interested in this because I already have a hose cutter, but it's a plastic, cheap one, so I might as well get a metal one. And a couple of hose separation tools. If hose is stuck, which they normally are, put this under the hose, between the hose and the outlet, go around it, it'll help separate it. It's a pretty good kit. I had tested out the hose clamp tool right here. Ratcheting. That helps, definitely. There we go. Nice. Release. There we go. And it ratchets. Let me release. There we go. These don't work so well on fuel line. If I did it wrong, let me know. But it's a pretty decent kit. Comes with a tray. Not a great tray. Keep it in your toolbox. Who cares, right? If you buy everything separately, like $15. I think that's $15. I'll put the prices up. 15, another 15, 3-piece. I think the smaller ones, another 15, and then if you get the big kit, which I do have of these, that's about 20. But these, most people will only need, and it is definitely worth the money. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.